Hi, to set quick responses for incoming calls on iPhone 16e, firstly you need to find and open settings on the phone and scroll all the way down to pick this section apps. In the app list, simply find your phone app, select it, and now we are searching for respond with text section. And now you can set quick responses. So they will be available when you respond to an incoming call with a text. You can change them to say anything you like. So these three are default, but you can tap on any option and replace it with your custom response. For example, let's write down busy, call you later, and let's add an emoji. Now we just need to use this back arrow to save changes. And let's test it. So I got this incoming call. Let's click on message. And this is my option, busy, call you later. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.